Hey guys, 皆さんこんにちは. Welcome to another pre-recorded live stream of The Lost Ojisan. So in this live stream, I will be doing a review of our Chiang Mai hotel. We paid around 80 Singapore dollars per night, including breakfast. It got a pool, it got a gym. It's a great hotel. So I'll put a link of the booking website in the description box below if you're interested. Let's go on. じゃあ今日はこのチェンマイの約8800円のホテルのレビューをしたいなと思います。これですね。It's called Aksara Heritage. Aksara Heritage っていうすごい高級感あるホテルなんですが、なんとわずか8800円でジムと朝食込みですね。Location wise, we are right in the city center, Old Town. You see the Taipei Gate over there. It's one of the iconic landmarks. Taipei Gate, and walk around like 3 minutes and you reach already. テーペイ門からわずか3分のすごい立地のいいホテルですね。Right next to it we have a beautiful Buddhist temple. で、すぐ隣にはこの、仏教のお寺があったり、で、なんとこのサンデーマーケットか、日曜の夜の夜市のこれ、こうやってずっと続きますので、めちゃくちゃ近いです。So, this is where the Sunday market occurs every Sunday night from 5 p.m. to around like 0 a.m. So, very good location. Okay, let's go inside the hotel. So we stay here for 3 nights. We paid like 260 Singapore dollars. Very good deal. 1泊8000円ってものすごいコスパですよ。Let's make sure I don't kill myself. Okay. Very atas, right? We're saying like, oh, it feels like Raffles Hotel, but it's only $80. なんかラッフルズホテル感の並なヘリテージ感があるんですよね。And this is where you enjoy breakfast every morning. The breakfast I will say is okay. To be honest, it's not the best. It's okay. They got the basic food. So maybe that's one of the cons. 朝食はそんなにかな。ちょっと微妙でしたね。セレクションとか。And I'm looking for the cat. There's a cute cat, but I think he's hiding somewhere, or maybe he's out for hunting. 猫ちゃん探してるんですけど、ちょっと今いないですね。And this is the reception. これがロビーですね。ちょっと見てみましょうか。Take a look. Very cozy. ちょっとブティークホテル並みな小ぶりな感じ。小ぶりっておかしいな、ホテルは。Welcome. And this is the view you get. で、景色こんな感じですね。Beautiful, right? Let me pan here. 美しいでしょ、このホテル。So here we have the bar. I actually didn't drink anything, but you can get a beer for like $10. The pool is relatively small, but it's fun. プールは割と小さいですけど、楽しめましたよ。Okay, now I'll show you the breakfast place. It's right next to the lobby. で、朝食はここですね。まあ綺麗です。It's very clean. So before going up to our room, I'll show you the gym. で、ちょっと部屋行く前にジム見せますね。So some of the rooms, I think it's the suite, the most expensive rooms. At floor 1, right outside, is the pool. で、多分1階はちょっと高いお部屋かな。すぐプールですね、外出て。And this is the fitness. So we're actually leaving Chiang Mai today. Quite sad. We really enjoyed it. Okay, here's the gym. ジムがこれですね。Very small. Okay, I actually didn't go inside. Let's take a look. So 7 to 7. ジム初めて入る。Oh, nice aircon. エアコンいいですね。エアコン効いてますね。Very basic. すごいこじんまりとしてますね。トレッドミル、ベンチ。You can do your cardio here. Got some dumbbells. Even got a machine. And I think this is the toilet. で、これトイレかな。Yeah. Looks clean. Oh, got a fridge too. Maybe they got some Coke. Oh no, some water. Okay, great. 水も入ってると。まあかなりこじんまりとしてますが、いい感じだと思いますね。It's nice. It's nice to have a gym. They got all the basic equipment. Okay, now to the room. で次お部屋に行きます。ちなみにこのホテルの、リンクは概要欄に貼ってますので、もしチェンマイに来る予定のある方はぜひぜひ。日本は直行便ないのかな、残念ながら。なんでバンコクとか経由して、あとシンガポール経由でも行けますね。僕はこの後シンガポール直で帰りますね。それがシンガポールのいいとこですよね。3時間でわずか帰れますね。So that's one great thing about living in Singapore. It's only 3-hour flight, direct flight from Chiang Mai to Singapore. Because in Japan, we're gonna have to, I think, go to Bangkok first, then to Japan. Some people can fly to Singapore, then to Japan. Okay. So our floor is at 3rd level. で、僕らの部屋は3階ですね。Okay.
Doors closing.
The room's very nice too. You guys will be amazed. 部屋もね、結構いい感じですね。3泊したんですが、ほんとこれ8000円っていう。もちろん現地の物価からしたら高いんですけど、まあ日本人からしたらすごいコスパいいですよ。Hey, welcome. It's the view from the lift. Very nice, right? Okay, let's check out the room. じゃあ部屋見ていきましょうか。まあロビーも綺麗ですよ。ホールも It's very clean everywhere. The service is nice too. People in Thailand are so kind in general. Okay, my wifey's gonna open it for me. 妻が開けてくれるはず。Okay, thank you. Coming in, Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, she's hiding behind the door. Welcome to our room. 部屋へようこそ。Okay, let me take off my shoes. Okay, so again, we paid $88. I mean, the price depends on when you stay, but this is how it looks like. You got a curtain, and next to it is the sink. で、隣はシンクですね。very basic, but it's nice we have a separate sink. And here we have the toilet. で、ここがトイレですね。じゃん。Let's take a look. Start from the toilet. So that's the bathtub. で、バスタブがこんな感じで、and you can take a look at your wifey or husband lying on bed while enjoying your bath. And you can actually open it, or if you're shy, you can actually close this too. で、こうやって閉めることもできますと。まあテレビ見れたりしますね。You can also watch the TV. Toilet, very basic. No washlet. You can use that if you need. ウォシュレットはありません。で、レインシャワー好き。Got rain shower. The water pressure can be stronger. It wasn't the strongest, but it's okay. It's no big deal. It's not weak as well. 水圧はね、もうちょっと強くてもいいかなって感じ。まあでも悪くはないですね。And you can close the door like this. Very nice feel, you know, like a heritage feel. The hotel is called Aksara Heritage. I don't know their history though. Okay, let's check out the room. じゃあ部屋こんな感じですね。じゃーん。Wow. So I just quickly cleaned it because we're actually checking out today. And we have a random avocado. なぜかアボカドがね。We bought it from the night market yesterday because my mother-in-law loves long avocado, so it's a souvenir. 義理の母親がアボカド好きなんで、長いアボカド好きなんで買いました。ナイトマーケットで。クイーンベッドですね。クイーンサイズベッド。We have everything we need here. Phone call, outlets, light. Kind of big though, the light. It can be smaller. It's taking up a lot of the space here. So it got kind of clumsy here. Like when I dropped my phone a few times. ちょっとランプでかすぎかなっていうのはちょっと細かいけどありますね。寝てる時に携帯落としたりとかしました。で、これがソファー。Got a sofa. It's a nice addition. The TV, quite big. I think around like 40 inch. テレビ40インチぐらいかな。結構大きいですね。で、ここがテーブル。And this is a table. I was editing a bit. No mini bar. ミニバーはありませんでしたね。If you need any munchie, I think you can ask. You can call the hotel. some coffee kettle ミニバーはないのはちょっとあれかもしれない。まあでも必要であればフロントで電話すれば変えたりとかすると思いますね。冷蔵庫 some mugs here. Okay, let's check out the balcony. でバルコニー見ていきましょうか。Oh, quite nice, right? If you're a smoker, you can smoke here. で、喫煙者の方はここです。タバコ吸えると。And the view, we have the pool view. The pool view ですね。I like the view of the temple. お寺のね、僕、ビューが好きですね。Very surreal. Like because you'll never get this view in Singapore. A temple and pool view. シンガポールではまず見れない景色なので。そんな感じかな。The pillow was okay for me actually. My wifey had trouble sleeping. I think it was too low, was it? Too high? Too flat. For me it was okay actually. So I had a great night's sleep. 枕の高さは僕は良かったけど妻はちょっと低かったみたいね。The aircon quite strong. One over there. エアコン結構強いし And I just love the decoration. Like look at the woody elements over there. なんかデコレーションがいいんですよね。なんか木の感じ。And Netflix. They let you watch Netflix for free. We were watching He's Expecting. It's a Japanese drama where a guy becomes pregnant. It's quite funny and it's a good drama. Netflix も無料で見れます。僕らは昨日斎藤工のなんだっけ男性が妊娠するっていうドラマ見てました。結構面白いですね。はい、そんな感じかな。I think that's it. Anything you want to add, wifey? Like review of the hotel? なんかつまり Very nice. You enjoyed it?